Ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? You're not alone. And if you're looking for a tool to help you manage it all, you might have heard of Jira and Wrike. But are they the same? Let's dive in and find out. What is Jira? Brief overview. Jira is a project management software originally designed for software development teams. It's known for its flexibility, customization options, and powerful features. Key features: Scrum and Kanban boards, issue tracking, roadmaps, agile methodologies, integrations with other tools. What is Wrike? Brief overview. Wrike is a versatile project management tool that can be used by teams of all sizes and industries. It offers a clean interface and a focus on collaboration. Key features: task management, Gantt charts, time tracking, resource management, templates. Similarities between Jira and Wrike. Project management core. Both tools are designed to help teams manage projects efficiently. Task management. Both offer features for creating, assigning, and tracking tasks. Collaboration. Both tools facilitate collaboration among team members. Customization. Both allow for customization to fit specific workflows. Differences between Jira and Wrike. Focus. Jira is more focused on software development and agile methodologies, while Wrike is more general purpose and can be used by various teams. Interface. Jira has a more traditional interface with a focus on issue tracking, while Wrike has a cleaner, more modern interface. Features. Jira offers more advanced features for software development, such as code reviews and version control, while Wrike has a stronger focus on resource management and time tracking. Which one is right for you? Consider your team's needs. Think about your team size, industry, and specific project management requirements. Evaluate features. Assess which features are most important to you and your team. Try a free trial. Many of these tools offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one works best for you. Additional considerations. Cost. Both Jira and Wrike offer different pricing plans, so consider your budget. Learning curve. Both tools have a learning curve, so factor in the time it will take for your team to get up to speed. Integrations. If you use other tools, check if they integrate well with Jira or Wrike. Recap. We've explored the similarities and differences between Jira and Wrike. Both are powerful project management tools, but they cater to different needs. Call to action. Ultimately, the best tool for you depends on your specific requirements. Take the time to evaluate your needs and try out both tools to see which one is the best fit for your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.